how to use Amazon AU deal of the day section. So in here, very first thing to do is obviously get into your Amazon. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here on your homepage, you'll be able to see new deals every day. So what you're going to do is simply tap on it in order to see all of the items that is on the deal of the day section, right? So in here you can see this particular item has like 76% off, this has like 38% off, and if you browse through it, you'll be able to find the exact type of item that you want to purchase, which actually have the deal of the day, which actually has the deal of the day. Then you can simply go through the process of how you'll be able to buy it. Like I said, you can go through the process of how you'll be able to buy that option according to your preferences, categories, and then that is all you need to do in order to use your Amazon AU deal of the day section. You can use this filters option right here in order to filter out the exact type of product you're looking for. And yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.